Video number 8, LinkedIn Premium. If you decide to upgrade your LinkedIn account to the premium version, you will find up to 4 different plans. Each of these versions will help you productively and effectively gain specific goals, such as land your dream job, grow and nurture your network, unlock sales opportunities, which is an amazing social selling platform, and find and hire talent. Plan 1, Job Seeker. In this plan, you can stand out to hiring managers, compare yourself with other candidates, and get in touch with recruiters. You are in a position to access job-seeking features such as direct messaging to recruiters, who's viewed your profile, featured applicant, and applicant insights. You also learn how you compare to the competition. You can use the applicant's insights to see how you compare to the other applicants by top skills, education, and seniority level. With this information, you can apply to a job with confidence after knowing where you stand. Several applicants apply to a job at the same time. That means that your application hits the prospective employer's inbox along with others. However, using the featured applicant, your application moves to the top of the list, hence drawing the attention of the employer. You can also see who viewed your profile in the last 90 days. You have an advantage over the free member because the free member only sees the profile of the last 5 viewers. Knowing the number of views, you will know when someone is interested. After knowing the individuals who viewed your profile, you can hit their inboxes with confidence. You can contact anyone on LinkedIn, from the recruiter who viewed your profile to the manager who is interested in you. Upgrading to premium means being opened up to more opportunities. When you are at the premium level, you let any LinkedIn member view your profile. That means you will never miss any opportunity that comes your way. Plan 2, Business Plus. Your network determines your presence. With a good network, you can grow and promote your business. Additionally, you can enhance your professional brand and maximize the power of your presence through the creation of networks. With this feature, you can get access to 15 in-mail messages, who's viewed your profile, advanced search, and unlimited profile search. It will make your day by knowing the number of people who are interested in you. You will get to know every person who viewed your profile in the last 90 days. This is one of the best ways to start your day. After knowing the people who viewed your profile, you can view their profile as well. When you are at the premium level, you can view profiles of the people who have viewed your profile. This allows you to link with different people who can offer you opportunities. Using the in-mail, you can contact an investor who is interested in your profile or a potential client. The premium search filters help you find the right people for you to connect with. The filters collect all the information on your profile and gives you notices of only the people who match your needs. This helps you sort out all the information quickly. When you upgrade your profile to the premium level, any member in LinkedIn can see your profile and easily reach out to you. This ensures that you will never miss an opportunity related to your profile information. Plan 3, Sales Navigator Professional. In this level, you get Sales Navigational Professional features, which include 15 in-mail messages, enhanced who's viewed your profile, advanced search with Lead Builder, unlimited profile search, lead recommendations and saved leads, real-time sales intelligence. The LinkedIn Sales Navigator is designed for sales professionals. The Sales Navigation feature offers real-time insights to help you build your relationship and make more sales. You need to focus on the accounts and people that matter. With customized suggestions, you can discover more people that are with your target accounts. You can find the right prospects and accounts effortlessly. Sales Navigator delivers leads directly to your inbox and desktop. The Lead Navigator also has a lead builder that helps you create lead lists with your criteria. You can find the right companies and people with the premium search filters, such as seniority and function. Even if you have 300 or more members on your profile, you can access the data of the people you want to talk to with the help of Lead Builder. You will also get account pages that give you the latest information on the companies that you care about. It also helps you discover new leads which are tailored to you. You can also contact decision makers even if you're not connected. With the accessibility of their full profile, it will be easy for you to start a productive conversation. Plan 4, Recruiter Lite. On LinkedIn, there are Recruiter Lite features which you can use to find and hire individuals. The features include 30 in-mail messages with templates, enhanced Who's Viewed Your Profile, advanced search, unlimited profile search, automatic candidate tracking, integrated hiring, recruiting specific design, plus all the features of a premium account. Recruiter Lite is a feature designed only for recruiters. It is one of the most powerful softwares available because it supports detailed queries. It also has an app that you can install on your phone to see and to respond to in-mail messages. It has advanced searching tool filters which are designed for recruiting. You can automatically track your candidates and open roles and projects. Using the integrated hiring feature, you can manage your candidate pool in one place. This makes it easy to determine the best person who is highly qualified for the job. You can also rank all the applicants according to their qualifications. The recruiting feature is also designed to enhance the recruiting of applicants. The feature will also give you the opportunity to view unlimited profiles when searching. You can search profiles for all individuals who have applied for the job and get their qualifications. You can access all the premium consumer features. Through the free access to the profile of the members in LinkedIn, you can identify a specific talent.